Hello everyone. Do you want to book your next trip on Expedia using Klarna? Here's a quick guide to show you how. Now let's start by going to Expedia and search for flights, hotels, or car rentals that you want to book. Once you have selected your trip and are ready to pay, proceed to checkout and choose Klarna as your payment method. Now log into your Klarna account and you will be prompted to select your payment plan. Klarna typically offers 4 interest-free payments or longer-term plans. Now review the details and confirm your purchase. You will pay for your trip in installments with Klarna. Now, you have successfully booked your trip with Klarna on Expedia. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.